Months ago, everyone was talking about Dogecoin. The growth was massive, hitting an all-time high of 7 cents. Well, here's what this later meant for the crypto world. Since then, several other coins have sprung up, and one of them which has been making waves in the crypto world is Shiba Inu, another meme coin. The Shiba Inu is one of the newest emerging coins with huge similarities with Dogecoin, at least in terms of its symbol. Shiba Inu has been hailed as the real dog crypto, with an impressive run since its launch. But the real question remains, when will this coin hit 50 cents? And what has Jeff Bezos got to do with the Shiba Inu coin? To find out about everything, ensure that you watch this video till the end and don't forget to hit the like button. Now, without wasting any more time, let's delve right into the topic for today. Shiba Inu, which is dubbed as the Dogecoin killer, has a game plan that is strategic and is already gaining popularity among crypto dealers in China. Shiba Inu was started by a man named Ryoshi, and his justification for giving more than half of the supplies of Shiba Inu to Vitalik Buterin are as follows. He believes that Shiba Inu will develop its own environment called Shiba Swap, a decentralized exchange built on the Ethereum network where community members can trade, buy, sell, and hold for rewards will bring this to reality. Also, it is built as an artist incubator, which implies that non-fungible tokens will play an important role in the ecosystem instead of the normal white paper released by a new coin. Fundamentals theorize a bright future while the Unchained metrics are straightforward. Fundamentals give an idea of the potential of a project a company might have, and as for Shiba Inu, there are three main points of interest: Shiba Swap, Shiba Inu, and NFTs. Shiba Inu Rescue. Shiba Swap is a decentralized exchange that is expected to house about 2 other different tokens, Leash and Bone, that the project is also creating. While both the tokens are ERC20, they follow different token economics. According to the white paper, the decentralized exchange will have yield farming capabilities. Another direction that Shiba Inu is also focusing on is the non-fungible token industry via its artist incubator, which will invite creators from various genres and platforms to create NFTs that are tradable on the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange. Lastly, the most effective path that Shiba Inu is making is an effort to rescue Shibas around the world. In this direction, the Shiba Inu token utilizes Amazon's built-in Smile feature to donate to this cause. Shiba Inu price range bound for the momentum, but the launch of Shiba Swap or a significant development on the NFT hold the key to potentially triggering the 100% upswing mentioned earlier. Despite the coin being tagged as the Dogecoin killer, both the cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, are primarily driven by retail hype and frenzy. Therefore, a potential increase in social media mentions or renowned celebrity endorsements could also add a tailwind to the bull rally that could double Shiba Inu's price in the coming months. Given Shiba Inu's use of an Amazon-built Smile feature, Jeff Bezos could be the man behind the hidden Shiba Inu whale account. Didn't see that coming, did you? Well, let's go on. Although it is not confirmed whether Jeff Bezos is the man behind this growing dog coin, Jeff Bezos has been very quiet when it comes to crypto, compared to the constant rambling that we've seen with Elon Musk and Dogecoin. Jeff Bezos could secretly be holding Shiba Inu to rival Elon Musk's Dogecoin. What are your thoughts on this? If this turns out to be true, then we could have a crypto coin war on our hands, and one thing is for sure, it's ultimately going to surge the price of both coins. Shiba Inu plans a decentralized exchange. Launched in August 2020 by anonymous cryptocurrency users, the Shiba Inu token is based on the same Shiba Inu dog meme, just like Dogecoin, which, well, was itself created as a joke by its founders. The developers of Shiba Inu describe the coin as an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. Based on the Ethereum blockchain, Shiba Inu is an ERC20 token that will be the first listed on the Shiba Swap decentralized exchange. The aim of this listing is to allow the coin to compete with other decentralized exchanges, including the likes of giant exchanges such as Uniswap and SushiSwap. According to the project's website, Shiba Swap is undergoing a major test of its security, audits, and final updates ahead of its official launch. The Shiba Inu ecosystem has grown to include Shiba Swap, fund tokens, and an artist incubator. The developers are also currently working with artists to develop non-fungible token ventures. Shiba Inu has a total supply of 1 quadrillion, which is designed to allow users to hold billions or even trillions of the tokens. According to the developers of this coin, this means that the value of Shiba Inu can remain under a penny and still be able to generate a larger return for its holders due to its quantity. Now, here's the interesting part. There are $394.79 trillion tokens currently in circulation, with a total market cap utilization of $3.47 billion as of the 2nd of June. According to the project website, when Shiba Inu was created, 50% of the total supply was locked to Uniswap, and the remaining 50% was sent to the creator of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin. However, on the 13th of May, Buterin donated more than 50 trillion Shiba Inu coins along with 500 Ethereum to the India COVID-19 Crypto Relief Fund. The Shiba Inu coins were valued at more than $931 million at the time. Buterin then burned 410.24 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, which was 90% of his remaining stock worth more than $6.6 billion on the 16th. In a note that was attached to Buterin's transaction, he said would send the remaining 10% to a charity with similar values to the Crypto Relief Fund but with a longer-term goal. It was not possible to hold the coins in the wallet, they were set to long-term, and a transaction to move them would be interpreted as an action taken to affect the price of the coin. In a note that was attached to another transaction, Vitalik Buterin advised other developers not to send him coins in the future without his consent, saying that he doesn't want to be responsible for such a power. The price of Shiba Inu shows an extended consolidation after a massive flash crash that was caused by the creator of Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, after he pulled the Shiba Inu liquidity from Uniswap. The dog coin is trading sideways and patiently waiting for a trigger for a massive breakout move. The technical price of Shiba Inu points towards a 100% surge. The price of Shiba Inu dropped by a whopping 83% to $0.00654 from the 10th of May to the 19th of May. This dip was triggered after Vitalik Buterin sold off his gifted 2 trillion Shiba Inu tokens worth $40 million on May 12. His sales caused some damage to the meme coin, but price action since the drop has formed a consolidation in a tight range. Interestingly, the volume for the sideways movement is dropping, which suggests the Shiba Inu price is getting ready for a massive bullish run. Another factor to support this rally is the moving average convergence divergence, which is also known as EMA indicator, which shows a declining histogram that indicates a decrease in short-term selling momentum. Here's the interesting part. The short-length moving average of 12 mph is heading higher and converging towards the slow-length moving average of 26 mph, and this technical setup simply represents a bullish run that is waiting to happen. If the 13 mph moves above the 26 mph, it would indicate a bullish crossover, which will confirm a shift in momentum towards a bull. If the price of Shiba Inu produces a decisive close above the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level at $0.00103, it would confirm the start of an uptrend, which might trigger a 100% increase that would place the price of Shiba Inu at $0.00203, coinciding with the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. The 38.3% retracement level at $0.00158 will play an important role in setting up a bullish rally for this coin, and in a matter of time when this happens, the price of Shiba Inu would increase exponentially. What do you think of this possibility? Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to our channel.